How to use the Luraco iFill 4. The iFill 4 is the most advanced and integrated spa control system and can be used with all disposable liners. For new salons, always make sure that water is flowing before pressing any buttons. Pressing the iFill button turns the entire automatic fill system on or off. After the tub is full with water, the iFill 4 will automatically turn on the jets and lights. Pressing the jet button will turn the jets and color LED light on and off manually. There is a built-in 1-hour safety timer for the jets. Pressing the water button will turn the water on or off manually. There is a built-in 4-minute safety timer for water use. Please note, when the basin is empty or water level is below the sensor, this button will automatically fill the basin the same as autofill. In the manual mode, a warning signal will sound when the water gets above the sensor to let the technician know of a possible water overflow. As with all electronic devices, sometimes the master box needs to be rebooted. If a reboot is necessary, simply follow these steps. Completely drain all water from the tub. Unplug the power cord of the master box. Wait about 15 seconds and plug power cord back to power outlet. Please also read the user manual before using the equipment. After watching this video, if you have any questions or comments, please call 1-817-633-1080, option 2, or contact our technical support department at support@luraco.com. Thank you for buying Luraco products.